Today I will be mounting a Mighty Mount 2 and an 8-inch gear track on my kayak in order to use my new Boomstick Pro. All of these products are by Yakattack, and I'll be mounting them on my Wilderness System Tsunami 12.5. The reason I'm putting this video together is that when I was looking at videos to see how easy and accessible this is to do on your own, I found a couple that were helpful, but they were always being done on fishing kayaks, so I thought it could be good to have a video showing it done on a day touring boat. I'm going to start with the 8-inch gear track, and I'm going to use a 1/8 drill bit to drill the initial holes for the self-threading screws that are included. Here's a quick shot of the instructions that come with it. And the great thing about the Wilderness System Tsunami is that this boat actually does come with a pre-prepared area in front of the cockpit for a gear track. So now it's just a matter of finding the placement that works best for me. In order to do so, I'm going to get into the kayak and just get it where I know I can fully reach the end of it when sitting inside the boat. So now that I've got it essentially where it works for me and where I think I'm gonna keep it, it's time for the moment of truth, drilling holes in my boat. I hesitated a little bit pushing the first one in there, but once you are through, it's through easy, and with a little pressure, just quick and easy, it ends up looking really nice, and we're ready to mount the 8-inch gear track. So the self-threading screws go in nice and easy, and I used a cross pattern here going down and across one to finish it and make sure that it stayed in line. And once it was finished, you'll see that it was on there very firmly. I've since had it for a few months and there are no issues with it whatsoever. The Boomstick Pro does not come with any instructions, but essentially there's a little push clip on the side that will let you kind of unlock it and pop it up right there, and then you just have to loosen or tighten it accordingly and then push it back down and clip it back in to lock. Alright, so now the Mighty Mount 2. And it does not come with self-threading screws, rather thicker screws that have a washer and nut on them. Now you can see there is a spot on the back of the boat there for another small gear track. There's also a good amount of space behind the storage bin, but I'm going to put it on the very tail as I know I won't be using a rudder. Now I did use the 1/8 initially. I ended up going up to a 1/4 inch drill bit. Even that was a little small, so I might go up another step to an 8mm. As you'll see, these screws are much thicker, and I did have to kind of force them in through the 1/4 inch holes here, and you can see some plastic gets pushed through there. However, they did go in. I was able to reach inside and put the washer and nut on, and I have had zero issues with the Mighty Mount 2 either. I would say that specifically for the Boomstick Pro, the Mighty Mount 2 is probably the better and more secure mount. It locks perfectly into place on it and allows for no side-to-side movement that can sometimes cause the stick to loosen on the 8-inch gear track. However, I would say that both products are really good, and I have made some good use on the 8-inch gear track with some other mounts that I've since acquired. So now I'm just going to show you guys a bit of my initial shots. First time I took the pole out, and I was just playing with a couple different angles off the back and off the front, using both the Mighty Mount 2 and the 8-inch gear track, and you can see it really offers some cool new angles. So I just wanted to let everybody know that there will be some new videos coming out soon, and thank you all so much for watching this one. I hope it has helped some people see not only how it's done, but how easily it's done, and how you can very easily and affordably add some pretty cool angles and production value to your paddling videos. Thank you again for watching. Until next time.